Rico for our honeymoon. Nisha stole the coffee.
I didn't steal anything. We paid for this. Complimentary popcorn, tea, coffee, non-dairy creamer, sugar. Like, we gotta be in there like somewhat.
My wife is ratchet.
Ratchet. I'm trying to look out for you. You might want coffee in the morning. You might want tea in the morning, right?
Yes.
Okay then. All right. What is this?
I ain't gotta say no more about that bed. That's all you need to know. Now we heading to Puerto Rico. Get some of this complimentary breakfast. Hopefully it's good. And then we out, man. We're gonna be shooting a whole bunch of videos. We back on the vlogs. Yeah, man, we making some big moves. Big moves, big teams off your Ponyo rooftop. We in Puerto Rico, baby. We here. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Don't understand nothing that's being said right now, but that's okay.
We en route. Where we going, babe?
Puerto Rico.
Pina coladas. Do you like pina coladas? Yes, I do. I don't know the rest of the song. Honeymoon. We got through the dangerous TSA. We lost one bottle.
One bottle.
But it's all good, though. Cub finesse let her keep the rest. So we here. We on our way? Yeah, shit as you know. Must be nice.
This gonna be a breeze. Good thing every part of this car like had a scratch on it or something, bro. Oh, you good? You good? You literally like kissed that joint like, mwah, like, mwah.
Shout out to the car being jacked up. What we say.
Yo, there's no stoplights out here. The roads are narrow. People are aggressive. Ain't no street signs. Like, you gotta get it how you live over here. All right, we about to find something before we get to this Airbnb.
Look how these folk park, bro. Look at this, all the space I got. What parking spot is this? How I get out at night?
Great job, babe.
Thank you. First time parking in Puerto Rico?
This gonna be
a breeze.
I'm here for a walk, and that's just what you gonna do. One of these ladies, sorry,
Facts.
Y'all, what's up, baby?
Where's the Kung Fu Panda? My number one enemy. Stairs.
Heading up to our place. We about to show y'all the studio.
Studio?
It's definitely a studio.
I think a booth. This thing's secure like New York.
First door, second door.
In Spanish Harlem.
See, look, oh my gosh, so hot. See, right here we have the kitchen. And then you walk into the living room. Sorry, I kind of messed. And then the bedroom. And then the bathroom. Oh, I thought I was light. It ain't the light. And then this washer and dryer is a washer and dryer, if that makes sense. It washes and dries. I ain't never seen no stuff like that before.
That's new. That's dope. A washer and inside of a dryer? Yeah, but hey, you get all the work done.
For real.
It's crazy.
Wow.
You can still see the damages from the hurricane. And places ain't got like street lights. Ooh, look at the beach. Yeah. What is that, bro? $76 for gas? Who paying that? Day one or day two?
Day two.
We're probably gonna see what we can do, see what's popping. Probably go eat some breakfast, lunch, whatever. First restaurant I went to had some rice con pollo where they chopped up the chicken inside of the rice. The service here, boy, it would have been like, bro, we gotta go there again, bro. And I think I gotta go there again. It was good.
It was good.
Buzz.
I think I had a few small pieces of chicken. That thing was still good though.
Yeah. Buses.
So I've been like kind of vegetarian, halfway vegan for like a few months.
Anybody knows me, I'm not big on downtowns, but I do like Aztec, old history places that has like dope, like stuff that's been built a long time ago and it's still surviving in time. So it's like fire to see stuff like this. And like, you can tell like that was built a long time ago. It'd be funny somebody put in the comment, but I made it 2018, but I'm like, oh, my bad.
Look at the top of those buildings. You know they messed up.
Don't know how no pina colada, but it just ain't right. I got mango, and then she got passion fruit. It ain't good, boy. Whoa, baby. Here in San Juan, we have all the flavors that you need. You need to try this new restaurant, Booties. Eat it all up and get to every crack and crevice here at Booties. They got more pictures than Publix. They got black pictures, they got white pictures, they got Spanish pictures, they got all kinds of pictures. Oh, snap. Hell no. What happened to that boy? What happened to that boy? What happened to that boy? Something happened to that boy.
Only Americans from the States go to Wendy's while they in Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico is in America. I'm gonna get
It
churros.
don't matter.
They got churros, I'm gonna get one, or I'm gonna give us ice cream. One of the two. It smells healthy. Wait. Of course, that's my baby, I wasn't expecting none of this. Graveyard has been in the 1800s, kid. You see 1852 somewhere. Sheesh. That's crazy. This is where we at. San Juan, man. It's beautiful out here. Wait for me.
Such a great driver, babe.
Thank you. You're better than me. Psych! I lied.
What you was gonna
No,
say?
you're good though. No, day one, day two. Well, day one, day two,
Basically,
whatever.
day one.
Out here in San Juan, it's very nice overall. Like the old buildings is fire. How they had the tombstones and graves. Just the culture, just you know what I mean. It was just vibe, especially the spot we ate at. The food was good again. Pina coladas were busting. That's about it. The only thing is just sad that the fact that
The hurricane.
man, you can see it. You can see it, like they still trying to fix stuff up, and like it's just like, dang, bro. I can only imagine what the city looked like before all that, but we're still having a great time. Now we about to get dressed and we about to hit the beach and go jet skiing. We out here, man. Hey,
Lego.
we about to go jet skiing. It's like a jet ski tour or something like that. Out here in the Puerto Rican water. Oh, excuse me. Puerto Rican agua. Entonces, Spanish. Agua. Dice de what is el oro. Agua. I haven't seen one of them forever since. Dang, bro. We was about to go there, but they had a 2-star rating. Ain't really had much on the menu, so we was like, cut it. But here we go. Here we go. Ourselves together alive, but you know how that goes. Sometimes, you know, hey.
Sometimes he just can't keep it together. Yeah. Y'all both trying to make us split on the first.
They come here a little bit. Yo!
See you later! Oh, shoot!
Show them waves though. can touch the ground?
Alright, that was fun. But scary. Cause I don't know what's down there.
I was scared for her because, you know, third day in Puerto Rico, her jumping in the ocean. I ain't know if this was breathe. She floating. Best vacation I've had in my life. I think it's over. I think I'm about to catch this ATV. We'll probably vlog a little bit about it on the phone.
That was fun. Oh my gosh. That was really fun.
Yeah, ATV's next.
Just got done jetskiing. And that thing was a breeze. I made him fall in. Any words?
She ain't right. But we made it safe, so that's all that matters. You feel me? You dig?